It would be very helpful if you first try to solve the problem yourself before watching this video.
Question 229. If the function f is differentiable with f of 1 is equal to negative 2, f prime 1 is equal to 3, what is the value of the approximation of f of 1.02 using the line tangent to the graph of f at x equal 1? This is linear approximation problem, right? Let me show you this graph right here. I'm gonna just draw roughly. Here's the x-axis, here's the y-axis, and let's say we have this function right here, f, and at x equal 1, we'll have this tangent line, right? Let's say this is the tangent line. Okay. The question is to approximate f of 1.02. Let's say this value right here is 1.02. Exact value is right here, right? This is the exact function value when x is equal to 1.02. And the question says use this tangent line to approximate this value right here. Okay, so we are actually we're gonna find the value of y of this tangent line when x is equal to 1.02. This value right here, right? Okay, so we're gonna have to find the equation of this tangent line first. And the information is all given. When x is 1, the y is negative 2. This means this point right here is equal to 1 comma negative 2. This is negative 2, right? And what about slope? Given f prime 1, that's the slope of tangent line at x equal 1, that's a 3, right? So slope of this line is equal to 3. So slope of this tangent line is y minus y1, negative 2, is equal to slope m, right? 3 times x minus x1. X minus x1, 1, right? So far so good. So y plus 2 is equal to 3x minus 1. This is equation of the tangent line. Right? Okay. So when x is 1.02, what is the value of y? We're trying to find this is exact value, and we're trying to find this y value using this tangent line, right? So when x is 1.02, that's gonna be 3 times 0.02, which is equal to 0.06. So y is equal to negative 2 plus 0.06, which is equal to negative 1.94, right? So the answer, this value right here, is negative 1.94.